Hi, my name is Daniel. In this video, I'd like to give you a good overview of the Streamstar live production solutions, present the various hardware systems we are offering, and talk about the Streamstar live production software in general. Streamstar offers professional high-performance production systems, suitable for various types of live productions. Top of the line are the IPX systems that range from 4 to 8 camera channels with up to 6 replay channels. These are robust, extreme performance, live production, and streaming studios. Packed in a 4-rack unit chassis, the systems support a variety of inputs and offer a full range of professional features. They are the ultimate live sports production systems that deliver professional results with confidence and excellence. Next is the X line of live production studios: the Streamstar X7, the Streamstar X4, and the Streamstar X2. Top quality, up to 6-channel, high-performance, live production and streaming studios packed in a 2-rack unit chassis, ideal for medium to small-size productions with the ambition to deliver broadcast-quality content. The third line of Streamstar products is the Streamstar NDX line, NDX 800 and NDX 400. These are general-purpose, local, or remote live production systems that feature either IP NDI as well as HDSDI inputs. All Streamstar hardware systems come pre-installed with Streamstar live production software, which ranges from 2 to 8 camera channels, depending on the system configurations. Other than that, the software functionality is practically identical, no matter what system you have. Now, let's talk about the Streamstar live production software. Starting up Streamstar, the first thing you'll notice is a touchscreen graphical user interface, designed to fulfill all the requirements of a multi-camera live production in the easiest, most efficient, and user-friendly way. Switching cameras is as simple as selecting the camera preview monitor using the mouse, keyboard, or your finger on the touchscreen. Streamstar software has 3 mixing modes: direct cut, crossfade, and transition. Crossfade duration, transition type, and duration can be adjusted in the Mixing Modes Properties panel. Streamstar software offers 4 layers of downstream keys to bring on graphics and animations. The logo layer on top can be used for a station ID or a bug. The overlays layer allows you to insert pre-rendered graphics and animations into your program. Keyboard shortcuts allow quick access to bring on air one of 10 overlay slots. These slots can be loaded individually or all 10 at once. The CG layer is the output from the built-in character generator used for insertion of real-time graphics. It is fully customizable and allows you to use your own graphics background templates, so they match your production design. Titles, lower thirds, and crawls can easily be created. The CG system also features dynamically controlled live sports graphics that allow you to create scoreboards and timers. A controller is provided that allows you to control the sports graphics in real time, or they can be controlled by a data feed from an external device such as a venue scoreboard. The 4th ingest layer allows you to input an external graphics source such as Streamstar's own ScorePlus, a professional live sports graphics system, or any other NDI signal source. Streamstar software also features a powerful DVE with options for picture-in-picture and split-screen layouts. Creating a screen layout is as simple as A, B, C. The picture-in-picture and split-screen templates can be modified using a utility software editor that you can download free from the Streamstar's support portal. The media player is where you can load videos into your Streamstar software for playback of commercials or pre-recorded video elements. You have full control over the playback of your media file, being able to loop, mute, organize, add to playlist, or trim the media file with in and out points. Of course, there is an audio mixer in the Streamstar software that allows you to mix audio levels for the camera inputs, media, and external sources. The audio mixer provides all the standard audio for video mixer interface elements, and it will be described in a dedicated tutorial video, so please check it out to learn the details. Streamstar's outstanding multi-channel replay system is what really makes Streamstar stand out of the pack. The speed and efficiency of the Streamstar replay system is unmatched by any other product on the market. It is so intuitive and easy to use that it doesn't require a separate operator nor special training. You'll be able to create a professional replay in no time. Replays are captured by pushing one of the 3 replay capture buttons, short, medium, or long, which instantly creates a replay file of the selected duration for every camera input. By using a back timing algorithm, the replays are available for playback within a split second. The duration of each replay type can be adjusted to suit any sport situation. There are 3 replay modes available. The standard mode allows you to instantly fire any replay look. The sequential mode allows you to select the replay looks you wish to air in the order you wish to play them. The third mode is dynamic. It allows you to switch camera angles during playback, just like switching live, and select the best angle for each part of the replay. Freeze frame is available as well for analysis of sports situations or any such purposes. Using the auto cut bar, you can select the live camera to which the system will cut to after the replay is finished. To lead in and lead out the replay, you can use your own animations. You can mark the replays as well as add them to your favorites bin and view only them. A comprehensive set of replay settings is available, but its description is beyond the scope of this video. It will be described in detail in a separate tutorial. As you can see, the speed and efficiency of the Streamstar replay system is outstanding, and it is unmatched by any other product on the market. It surpasses even standalone replay systems in efficiency, speed, and ease of operation. And the best thing is that it comes standard with every Streamstar software version at no extra cost. Playlists allow you to assemble a list of media files or replays, create a block of commercials for a break, interview block, or a highlight package that can be used in your program. A full set of playback control features is available that allows you to organize the playlist. It's an extremely powerful feature that will enable you to create sophisticated programming blocks and use them in your productions. The Scenes Manager is yet another powerful and sophisticated feature of the Streamstar software that allows you to create complex visual compositions and automate the playback of entire live production timelines. Open the Scenes Manager using the Scenes tab at the bottom left. Pushing the Scene Capture button creates a scene which includes everything that is currently in live PGM. Once in the scenes list, you can recall the scene at any time, combine the scenes into sequences, set up precise timing, or trigger the playback manually. The Scenes Manager is far more sophisticated, and I will describe it to you in more detail in a separate tutorial. The camera control feature turns the Streamstar software into a full CCU for JVC camcorders and PTZ cameras, plus a remote control for NDI PTZ cameras over a network connection. You can fully control pan, tilt, and zoom, save presets, and recall them by a push of a button. Streamstar delivers your production in a multitude of ways. Live streaming to popular platforms such as Facebook Live, YouTube, or many others, through HD SDI, HDMI and NDI program out, high-quality program recording, stream recording, and ISO recording of all inputs for events that require post-production. Streamstar software is unlike anything you've ever seen before. It easily surpasses any other system on the market in terms of function, ease of use, and speed of operation. Streamstar will kick your production into high gear, take the stress off your shoulders. Live productions will be a lot more fun. Watch more of our tutorial videos, learn the details about all the functionalities of the Streamstar software. To learn more, please visit our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.